entire wall is a design solution created by the company Flat. This convertible cupboard allows you to save a lot of space in the house. It also has a large number of storage compartments for storing things. All drawers are open with a single button. The central part in the shape of the wardrobe bed has space for a 60 by 80 inch mattress, and for your convenience, when you open the door, a bright LED illumination turns on. Ori Systems. A group of developers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology created a furniture set with an estimated value of $10,000. The elements are made of rare species of wood. A distinctive feature of Ori Systems is that all furniture can be transformed at the touch of a button. The furniture set consists of a bed, a wardrobe, drawers, and a workstation. The design includes a special module that allows you to control individual elements. If you press a button, the bed comes out. Another button controls the desk. But the main feature of Ori Systems is voice control, which makes the product easy to use. City Home. An ideal solution for small apartments is the use of multifunctional products that combine several pieces of furniture into one. In this case, it is a bed, a desk, and a dining room for 6 people. This ergonomic piece of furniture can increase room space. Just move the structure to the right place. The main characteristic of this multifunctional product from City Home is gesture control. With its help, you can easily change the backlight integrated in the cabinet. Smart Cupboard. This cabinet is not just a combination of doors and a lot of shelves. This furniture is multifunctional and comfortable to use. To turn one of the drawers into a chair, simply remove it from the basic cabinet design. And on one side, a small table appears. The wardrobe is also easily converted into a small sofa. You only need to lower one of the shelves. In addition, for even more convenient use, designers added a long mirror to the furniture. Transformable Ottoman. This stool can be transformed into 5 small chairs. To do this, you must combine the metal frames of the stools with the soft seats in the right order. All elements are easy to use. Simply loosen the seat of the chair and place it next to the stool. The metal bases can be placed inside the cabinet. Kriana Future Bedroom. The furniture company Creano Future has developed a project that allows you not to choose between buying a sofa or a bed, but to combine these two elements into one. In addition, the model allows you to save space in your home. The space-saving sofa easily becomes a large double bed. The mechanism is very simple. You need to remove a small lever from the frame, which allows you to lower the bed. And in addition, the furniture is equipped with special fall protection, which guarantees long-term reliability and use of this convertible sofa. Smart Room. This universal room combines several elements of furniture. First of all, this is a closet where a lot of clothes and other objects fit in. All shelves are secured with reliable mechanisms that ensure long-term operation of the cabinet. The design includes a comfortable mobile sofa, which can be used in two versions. In addition, a single bed hidden in the set of furniture is assembled with a simple movement. It also has a large dining table with a retractable mechanism. Soft stairs. This room is located in a large villa of 2,000 square meters. The design of the furniture combines a sofa and a staircase made of the same materials, similar to the entrance of an airplane, and behind the construction we find a bed. With the help of this design, you can accommodate more guests at home, and at the end of the stairs you can place one more bed.